is the demo for the task provided by Naxum through EN. So here you can see I have created three folders, that is API, backend and frontend. API is for the API section of the project, backend is for the admin panel section of the project, and the frontend is the home page of the project. So API has been created as requested using Laravel 12, and following is the structure. I have created the extensive readme file. Everything has been covered over here. How did I create it, and whatever the sections I have used, whatever the code bases I have used, and the tables and the database sections are already covered here. I have also mentioned the API sections over here, and also created the API postman collections for the API section. If I can show you that here over I have created database migration file using the database file has been provided, this one. Also I have created two different tables for admins and registration. Seeders has been created using for the database data insertion from the SQL tables file, and the models for each SQL file has been created also, and I have created the required controllers for authentication, for commission report, for registration purpose, for top distribution reports. All has been created over here. Now let me move to the backend section. If I can show you, this is the backend I have created as requested. You can see over here commission report has been given. I have added all the filters, the required filters, distributor, date to date filter, and the invoice search. Um, if I can show you the search option, you can see the search over here. Also, you can investigate the all orders item. You can search using invoice. Here I have given the reset button, and as requested, I have also created the top distributors. The total sales figure has actually matches the task. Now let me show you the front end. This one is the front end section I have created using the Figma design provided. I have just uh, created this one. The following video I have created with AI and used that over here. And also I have used the Google Recapture version 3 for form security. I can show you the form over here. You can see I have added all the validations, phone number validations over here, email validations also over here. Now let me show you the front end version of responsive. Here is the responsive version. Now let me show you the code structure. For backend and frontend, for both of them, I have used Vue.js, and the API has been utilized on the API folder. So, and for backend and frontend, I have extensively created the README file where each and every process has been covered. How did I create it, and what are the API I have used, how did I use, and what are the measures I have taken for the responsiveness of the front end, and also what measures I have taken for the security checking on validations for the back end and front end also. So all these things are covered over here in the README files in the front end and the back end. Thank you.